Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to a new video from Technary.com. So we have an interesting tech news for you. The audio player brand and wearable brand boAt has launched a new smartwatch into the Indian market. This is the boAt Flash Smartwatch. Let us have a look at the features of this device. This is the second smartwatch from the brand boAt after their smartwatch boAt Storm. It is having a dual tone silicone strap and has metallic circular dial design. This device comes with 1.3-inch LCD display and comes with round dial. It is having highly responsive touch. It comes in active black, electric blue and vivid red color straps. It is having health monitor which includes 24 by 7 heart monitor and blood oxygen SpO2 monitor. It works as a personal fitness trainer which helps to track your activities like calories burned, steps, distance traveled, and also many activities like walking, running, climbing, cycling, swimming, and etc. The flash will notify you when your heart rate gets abnormally low or high, or even when your oxygen levels are abnormal. It comes with 7 days of battery life. You can sync it with your smartphone and can get 24 by 7 notification alerts. There are integrated controls in this smartwatch. For example, you can take complete control of your music from the smartwatch itself and no need to grab your smartphone to control the music. There is also camera trigger control which helps to click photos with ease. This smartwatch also guides you to mindfulness with breath awareness and also helps to keep lower your heart rate and also decrease your stress levels. There is also do not disturb mode which is able to keep you away from all the notifications as per your need and you can meditate with ease and peace. User is able to get real-time weather updates and forecasts on your wrist. This smartwatch is IPX68 water and dust resistant, so it will help you to keep the rain and sweat away from the smartwatch. So these were the features of the smartwatch, which is the boAt Flash. Any guesses for the price? Well, it is launched at an introductory price of rupees 2499 only. So if you want to purchase this boAt Flash smartwatch, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get the best deal and discount for this smartwatch. Kindly like this video and also comment on it as well. Kindly share this video with your family and friends. Keep visiting our website which is technary.com. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and put the bell notifications on to get the latest updates from our side. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.